As you can see guys, I fixed it. Hello guys, so if you have this problem in your analog stick controller where the analog keeps going up and down by itself, as you can see here for me, so let's fix it together. Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a disassembly video tutorial for the PS4 controller. So as you can see, we have 4 controllers. Each one has some problem. For example, this has analog problem. So let's get started. First we have 4 screws here. We need to disassemble them. Okay guys, I forgot to tell you that you need this screwdriver and also like tools to use it for disassemble the controller. For me, this actually came with the iPhone tools. After we unscrewed the screws, you just need to do like that. Now you push it through that way. Okay. Now unplug this for the lights. You have this. Now unplug the battery. Now unscrew this screw. Like this. Remove this for the touch. Now here we have the buttons and stuff, and here we have the motherboard. Oh my god. Now to remove the motherboard, all you need to do is, there's something here, just push it like that, and also here. Now, here we have it. So the problem is with this analog, with this controller, the problem is these 2 sensors. So what we need to do is to remove these 2 sensors and clean them with the sanitizer, or call it here spirit, or any alcoholic thing. Now we need to get this cotton swab and some alcoholic thing. Now here, be careful. You see these holes? You need to do like that to be able to get inside of it. Now remove this sensor. Be careful to damage it. Okay, put it beside. Now as you can see here, you need to clean this sensor with the cotton swab and the alcoholic thing. Now from the dry side, dry it. Now bring back the other tool, the sensor one. So what you need to do is you see this side, it's like that. They had one. Okay, you need to put it like that. Okay, make sure it's like that. The metal thing is up. Okay, and now just press this. Until you hear the clicky sound. Okay, now I will do for this side and this side and this side the same way of this side. Most probably, this dust are the cause of swinging analog and stuff. Now for me, I will clean it from here, from inside also. And now we replace everything back. I'll plug this in like that. Now let's test it. As you can see guys, I fixed it. So let's put back these screws. Don't forget guys to like and subscribe for more content, and I'll be doing a lot of other things, fix things. So stay tuned. Peace out.